I'm Mrs. Kamal Bhatia. I have renovated my house, so I wanted a safe lift so that I can use 3 floors at the same time.
We have been living in Delhi for about 35 years. We just decided to renovate our house like about 2 years back. So we needed a lift. Our only problem was that most of the lift, they need a pit in the basement, and our apartment did not start from the basement. We had the first floor and the second floor. So that was a big point for us in terms of choosing our lift. So because of my mom being a little claustrophobic at times, we really needed a lift that felt safe, felt open, nobody felt the need to no panic situations in the house. We don't need that. We have a lot of kids coming in all the time. We don't need that at all. So that was kind of a reason that we chose ThyssenKrupp. We are building this house. It was a very long planned house, and the interior really made a big difference. So for that reason, you have so many customizable options for the walls. We can add mirrors, we can put a glass door. So it kind of, the whole feeling of the lift, when I saw the pictures, when I saw everything, it kind of felt like it could blend in with the interiors. Even right now, if I see it, if I look at the lift, it's like a door. It doesn't feel like an awkward lift or anything. It just blends in with the whole interior. So that was very important for us because we really focused on interior. Electricity consumption, they told me that the electricity consumption on this is very less, and it can practically work on a 5 ampere power socket. And another factor was that they say that when the lift is going down, it doesn't require any power. So that is another safe feeling that
इंस्टॉलेशन टीम वॉज वेरी गुड और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से करा, हम लोगों को एक्सप्लेन भी करा, और इंस्टॉल करने में बहुत ही अच्छी तरह उन्होंने अपने आप ही सब कुछ करा, तो हम लोग को बिल्कुल उसकी वजह से.
Generally, anyone getting a home lift, wherever, whatever place, whatever floors, whatever, it is completely customizable. I think ThyssenKrupp is a very good option. It's like the best option, and even for kids, for older people, everyone, it is a complete package. So everything is just perfect. Like for a home lift, this is exactly what you need for a home lift. Yeah, I definitely recommend ThyssenKrupp lifts for any home, especially if there are older people or there are children coming around all the time, because that is a big point of concern for a lot of people. I definitely recommend Elite Elevators for their service. Everything by ThyssenKrupp and Elite Elevators has been amazing so far. So cheers to that. Yeah.